वास्को शारांत आयतारा जाल्ल्या नो मोजूक लोकांकडच्यान बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो। मुरगांव पालिका बिल्डिंगे फुडलो रस्तो मेकळो आशिल्ल्यान भुरग्यां वांगडा जाणट्या लोकांनी वेगवेगळे खेळ खेळून मजा केली। ह्या वेळार वेगवेगळ्यो सर्तीय जाल्यो।
This has been absolutely stupendous response to what we expected. We need more activities like this happening. We have people and we want activities, and everybody's agreed that this has to happen more.
म्हाका अशें दिसलें की आमी आतां अशें योजना की प्रत्येक म्हयन्याक वास्कोकार युनायटेड जे आसा ते येतले आणि हे करतले।
I think it's an excellent initiative by the people, for the people, and with an excellent support from our local MLA. In short, it's what people want, and this is what, by virtue of the crowd which has come around, it shows that there is a need for an activity like this.
I'm happy that people have come to organize this show. We have only supported this show. It has to happen more often, and I think Vasco needs it.
वास्को नोमोजोच्या तर्फे आम्ही हो एक इव्हेंट इन्क्लूड केलो की लोकांनी येवन रांगोळी घालची आणि त्यांचे टॅलेंट लोकां फुड्यान डिस्प्ले करपाची। प्रतिसाद भरपूर बरो मेळ्ळो आमकां।
गोंयचो रणजी पंगडाचो कोच बदलला। विवेक कोळंबकाराच्या जाग्यार आतां डोडा गणेशाची हेड कोच म्हणून गोंय क्रिकेट संघटनेन निवड केल्या। रणजी सिजनाक सुरवात जावंक फक्त 3 सप्तक उरल्यात। डोडा गणेशान सुमार 4 वर्सां पयलीं गोंयचे रणजी प्लेयरांक प्रशिक्षण दिल्लें, तेन्ना ताका कांय प्रमाणात येस आयिल्लें। सद्याचो रणजी कोच विवेक कोळंबकाराक अंडर-19 पंगडाचो कोच केला।
Mr. Vivek Kolambkar, who was our senior coach of Ranji, has opted out because of his stress. It has been so much stressful for him to coach these Ranji guys that he said that he would not be able to give his total commitment to the game of cricket, especially for Ranji. And that was the reason that we brought Dodda Ganesh, who has an experience with Goa team. Although he has very little time, but I'm sure he will do and try to do the best for Goa. Vivek Kolambkar has been shifted to under-19 squad.
Don't you think GCA has, as you say, a little less time now to play with the composition from the coaching point of view, because the players will feel now that they have got a change in head, so they'll feel a little bit of pressure on them from this side?
No, these are professional players. They are adapted and accustomed to any coach that they give, that we give. And probably with the kind of mentality the coach has, Dodda Ganesh has, with these players, some of the players he knows very well. So they will adapt to themselves.
Second innings as a coach, how do you feel coming back to the Goa team?
I'm delighted. I'm really very happy. And first of all, I thank GCA. Thanks for giving me one more opportunity. They kept faith on me. I'm really proud of them and proud of Goa. We are reached semi-finals. What I thought, we want to win. I had a goal to win. We didn't succeed winning note, but we reached semi-finals. Then in Goan cricket, in the map, Indian map, reached in like somewhere in big. I'm pretty happy. Again, I got one more assignment. I want to do it 100% with honest and dedication and people's help, people's supports.
Personally, you will take this as an opportunity to finish those unfinished dreams of yours you had last time around?
Excellent. Yeah, whatever you said is 100% right. Yeah, well, last time I had a goal to go to elite. I want to mainly, I'm from Karnataka, I want to play against Karnataka. I want to beat them. That is my motto. Okay. My motto. I really will do. We had an excellent bunch. The external administrative also, we got good support staffs also. We got assistant coach Prakash, and we got we had a good supporting staff also.
Ranji is just less than a month away. You've been given this role. Don't you think it's going to be tough for you?
No, nothing. I gone through as a professional. This is a real my testing time also, my ability, everything. See, now cricket is a lot of tournaments is going on. No excuse, nothing. See, no IPL also people playing. When they finish IPL, again they come and play domestic cricket. When they finish domestic cricket, they play India. They are touring. No, it's for excuse. No times. Whenever get a golden opportunity, golden time, we try to utilize that golden opportunities and give result.
Michael, what is the mood in the camp now? Basically, Pongelar, you have been with the team now, from the other coach to the new coach. So you'll be the best person to tell us what is the mood in the camp after this change.
There is not much change in the players. Now these people, our players are very much happy to see Dodda coming back, because he has played a test match and they know what he has done for Goa for 3 years back, and he has really worked very hard, and they are happy now to work with Dodda Ganesh.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट Prudent Goa वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान खबरांचेर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.